Well, we having fun over here.
New York City ski in the blizzard.
Yeah, it's called cool stuff.
Let's see if it actually works.
Yeah, let's go. Go, Ma. You did it! That was awesome!
That was awesome, right?
Yeah! That was freaking awesome!
Woo! 2013 blizzard, New York City. Vasquez, that's all you need. That's all you need, Vasquez. And you'll be all right. You live. Making the U-turn. We're coming back up. That was great. Come back up. Let's see if I can do it again without falling.
All right, this time I'm gonna run, okay? Ready, set, go!
Yeah! Blizzard 2013!
Woo! Freak, man! Yeah! 2013, people. Put this on YouTube.
Yeah!
Put this on YouTube.
That was awesome.
Yeah, that was.
That was great. That was the greatest thing ever.
Best.